Thank you for choosing this video. This video is on topic of solving Gauss-Seidel method by using Casino FX991EX. Let's solve the problem. The given question is, solve the following system of equation: 25x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to 48, 3x plus 27y minus 2z is equals to 56, x plus 2y plus 23z is equals to 52, starting with 1, 1, 0. Let's start the process. Solution. For given equation, we have x is equals to 48 minus 20y, 2y plus 3z is equals to 25, y is equals to 56 minus 3x plus 2z by 27, x is equals to 52 minus x minus 2y by 23. As we are solving this in a calculator, let us imagine x is equals to a, y is equals to b, z is equals to c. Substitute x, y values in the above these three equations and write in this form. Now this form we need to type in calculator. Let's see how. Now a. After running the calculator, alpha you can see here a, alpha you can see here 2 dots, alpha b, alpha same, alpha c, alpha a. Now alpha equals to, we have you can see here the symbol, just press it. Now we have 48 minus 2 alpha b plus 3 alpha c, come down 25. Now go aside, alpha b, again alpha b equals to, you can see here alpha equals to, and same 56 minus 3 alpha a plus 2 alpha c, come down 27 alpha c alpha equals to 52, undo the symbol, 52 minus alpha a minus 2 alpha b, come down, now 23. Now after typing this total form in the calculator, press calc, you get this. But they have in the given question, this is starting with 1, 1, 0. So undo, now just press 0 and undo 1 equals to, again they have said 1, 1, so again press 0, undo 1 equals to 1, 1, 0, right? So 0 equals to a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 0. Now just press this so that you get in decimal. So now you get in decimal, right? So just note down a table like this so that it will be very easy to write all the problems like this. After pressing this, press equals to, again the same, equals to, same, equals to. So you got x value, y value, z value. No, you don't need to write the x value again and y value again. You just need to press equals to. You get here equals to same, equals to. You'll be getting the c value. You'll getting a value, b value, c value. Again a is this, b. If you want, you do this. Equals to the ever taken. You press this, you get this. So same like this. If you press equals to, you're gonna get number of solutions. Just note down. After pressing equals to, you just note down the values in this form, like x, y, z. Again second time x, y, z. Third x, y, z. When you need to stop means when you find that the values are getting similar, almost 2-3 values you get similar, then stop your calculation. That's it, and you'll get x is equals to y, x is equals to 2, y is equals to, z is equals to 2. This is the problem. This is the end of the problem. Hope you understand this problem and it helps you. Thank you.